Hello friends, welcome to StarCode. My name is Vikas Sharma and today onwards we are going to start a new series about Python. So in this video I'll show you how you can download Python in your operating system and how you can write a script using Python. In our first and second video, in our first and second video we will just go for the theoretical part like introduction to Python and history of Python, and on our third lecture onwards we will try to implement some practical problems using Python so that the concept we are studying actually will clear in your mind, right? So at the end of the course I'll show you the a lot of HackerRank problems as well, problem solving problems, so that your coding skills can be developed, right? So if you're using a Mac, then Python is already installed in your system. Just go for terminal, open terminal. After that, just type Python here. Okay. So you can see Python version 3.7.1. The default version of Python in Mac is 2.6. You can work with that. Okay. But if you want to update it, you can update it. You just need to install it, right? So I am showing you how you can install it. Just open your browser, Chrome, Safari or Firefox, whatever you're using, and just write here Python download for Windows, Mac or whatever the system you're using. It's same for everything, right? Just second link. Okay, just click here. Now you can go on official site of Python, right? You can download from here. Okay, you can download in Windows as well and Mac OS, Linux, other, I don't know what others. Okay, you can download it from here, right? So after installing the Python, you just need to go to Finder. Okay, you can see here idle, right? Just open it. In Windows, if you're using Windows, just go to search bar and type idle. You can find idle there, right? You just need to install the idle. Okay, so this is how the Python shell look like, right? You need to press Control N in Windows, Control N. Okay, and I am using a Mac here, so Command N. Simple, right? So how you can write a script? So this is nothing but a script. You can open with any text editor like Sublime Text or Notepad in Windows, brackets, whatever the text editor you are using. You can open the script with any text editor. So just write print. Print is a simple command. I am showing you because coding part is more interesting than theoretical part. I'll discuss about the history and introduction in our next video. I'm just showing how you can display something. It's a basic level, right? How you can display something on the idle. So first of all, print star code, right? This is a simple syntax. Print is a function that actually prints something on the screen. So just save it. You can write first program in Python, first.py, right? I'm just saving it on desktop. Okay, save, right? Just go on. You can see run here, na? Run. After clicking run module, or you can directly go for F5. So you can see here star code is printed. Okay, so this is how Python is very simple. Okay, so you need to download two things. First one is Python idle. We already installed it, right? And second one is Sublime Text. So Sublime Text is a text editor, simple text editor, and you can use like Notepad, brackets, and whatever the text editor you want to use. But Sublime Text is a good one. So the colors and the user interface is very good. So I'm showing you how you can download. So open your browser, just type here download Sublime Text for Mac, Windows, or whatever the platform you're using, right? So for Windows, just need to go to download link and just download it, right? After that, open your script. This one is first.py, right? Open with Sublime Text. So this is the printf statement I just given, right? So just print another thing. Just print your name. So my name is Vikas Sharma, so I am printing Vikas. You can print your name. So this is the function that takes something and display whatever you given inside it, right? So whatever, like 1 2 3 and anything just you need to give here, right? So just save it and you have to double click on open it. So this is the text, right? So just go on run module. Here you can see the output is displayed, right? Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notified whenever we upload a new video.